What's the meaning of big-mouthed? Big-mouthed. Big-mouthed.
Big-mouthed. Big-mouthed. The term big-mouthed is generally used to describe a person who talks excessively or divulges too much information. It often implies that the individual may not know when to stop talking, leading them to reveal sensitive or private information. People who are big-mouthed can sometimes be seen as annoying or impolite for oversharing personal details or gossiping excessively. This trait is often associated with individuals who lack self-awareness or consideration for others. In some contexts, the term can also be used to describe someone who is boastful or overly confident in their abilities, leading them to talk more than they should.